We about to pull up. Crush is outside. I can see him through the bushes, man. I can see him through the bushes. I ain't even look. Wait, I gotta drive. Oh my God! What's going on, Orange Crush? It's your boy Sam, man. Back on another amazing. I ain't gonna do it, man. Not today. I'm not gonna do it. Back into your boy. Listen, man, today we got some fantastic. We about to rearrange Crush in a way that I ain't never thought it was gonna look. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you guys how this looks in a few seconds. You know what I'm saying? So today what we're gonna be doing is upgrading the brakes, rotors on Orange Crush, man. The pins and everything. We just changing it all out. You know what I'm saying? We went with the Powerstop. It's enough of me talking. Let me show y'all what's happening right now. Alright guys, as you can see, I went with the Powerstop Extreme. Don't worry about this. This is to take off my spike lug nuts. You know what I'm saying? As you guys can see, this is the rear right here. Let me see if I can put this in. Rear driver side. That's what I like about Powerstop. I appreciate that to make things just a little bit more easier. You know what I'm saying? This one right here, front passenger, drilled and slotted, my friends. Drilled and slotted so that they can breathe. You know what I'm saying? Cause hey, I be putting Crush to the limit. You know what I'm saying? The other two is in the box right here. You know what I'm saying? They're in the box. Under this. That's the other one right there. You know what I'm saying? This is the other rear. You know what I'm saying? So, as you guys can see, man, we about to go get this done, man. So, let's go ahead. Pull your hats and horses on. You can't take the horse to the water, but you can make them drink. Wait a minute, I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm sorry. Okay. All right, everybody. So we're gonna take the brakes and the brake rotors down to Troy's garage so that Troy can install these things, man, so that I can stop a little bit more better. Because right now I'm stopping, but it's not to the best abilities, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? So, let's go ahead and get things started. I'm gonna pack these in the car, and then I'll talk to you guys on the way down to Troy's garage, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, we are now in Orange Crush, man. We headed down to Troy's house. If any of y'all don't know Troy, Troy is the one who installed my wicker bill. I did a video on that. You guys can go check that out. But we're going down to Troy's house, man, because Troy is one of the best. Yeah, man, we on the way there, man. So you guys enjoy the ride, man. We enjoy the ride. We almost there. Troy only live about maybe 10 minutes away from me. But we going there because Troy know how to handle business, man. See you when I see you.
Highs with the lowest lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. The highs with the lowest lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. Any day could've been dead. High school price on my head. Philly didn't even know things. There was a low me. Swear to God it would've owed me. Everything you ever told me, everything you ever showed me, I forgot it. Caused me drama. I used to stay on one. Now I change on them. The highs with the lowest lows. That's life these days. Bro chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. Hit the highs with the lowest lows. That's like these days. chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, all my Crush viewers, you know what I'm saying? I'm coming back from Savannah right now, and I'm going to Troy's garage to pick up Crush. I know them brakes and rotors is nice, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I went with the drilled and slotted, new brakes, rotors, everything. You know what I'm saying? Let's go get some money, man, because we got to go pay Troy. You know what I'm saying? All right, I want to see y'all when we pull up the Troy house, man. You know what I'm saying? Go pick up Crush.
2 hours later.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to pull up to Troy's house to pick up Crush. I know Crush gonna be looking fantastic. I already know. I know it's about to look nice, man. We about to pull up right here. Oh my gosh, we about to pull up. We about to pull up. Crush is outside. I can see him through the bushes, man. I can see him through the bushes. I ain't gonna look. Wait, I gotta drive. Oh my gosh! This is beast mode. This is beast mode, man. Hey, man, come on, man. Come on, man. I got to show y'all this. I got to show y'all this. So, guys, tell me, man. Ladies and gentlemen, tell me the comment section. I know that thing look good. Oh my gosh, that thing look good, man. But anyways, shout out to Troy who installed the rotors and everything for me, man. Shout out to him, man. I really appreciate your help for everything that you did, man. The next thing in line, I did something on Crush I ain't told nobody about. I ain't told nobody, but you guys should be seeing that in the next video. You know what I'm saying? So, if this is your first time coming by my channel, man, listen. I want you to hit that subscribe button, alright? And turn on the bell. Turn on your bell, ding, ding, ding. Like I said, if this is your first time coming by the channel, subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section if you want to. Join the family, man, because we're going up all 2022. You know what I'm saying? Ain't that right, BB?
Yes, sir.
You know it, man. Car shows, we feeling them. Trophies, we stealing them. Straight up.